40 years working with people's finances have shown me the same personal struggles repeating over and over. Today I want to address 3 that cause the most immediate stress and disruption. First, I'm drowning in credit card debt and I don't know where to start. Second, unexpected medical bills completely ruined my emergency fund. Third, I can't afford to help my aging parents with long-term care. These are not distant worries. They create daily pressure, force reactive choices, and erode long-term security. The good news is there are straightforward, proven steps to regain control in each case. Start with credit card debt. Balances grow from compounding interest. Minimum payments barely touch principal, and the feeling of being trapped is constant. Practical first step. Track every dollar in and out for 30 days. No changes yet, just see the full picture. Identify leaks like recurring subscriptions, eating out, or small impulse buys. Cancel or reduce those immediately to free up cash. Then prioritize. Pay minimums on all cards, but direct every extra dollar to the highest interest balance first. Once it's 0, roll that payment to the next highest. This avalanche method saves the most on interest. Alternatively, smallest balance first builds quick wins for momentum. Either way, consistency matters. Before aggressive payoff, build a small safety net, $1,000 in a separate savings account. It stops new debt from emergencies. Many people reduce 5-figure debt significantly in 2 to 4 years by plugging leaks and staying focused. We'll cover medical bills next. The second issue strikes suddenly. Unexpected medical bills completely ruined my emergency fund. A single procedure or hospital stay generates large bills. People borrow, raid savings, or delay other needs, creating ripple effects. Begin by reviewing every line on every bill. Request itemized statements from the provider. Errors are common. Duplicate charges, incorrect codes, services not performed. Question anything unclear. Many times, 20 to 40% reduces after review and negotiation. Then negotiate directly. Ask the hospital or doctor for an interest-free payment plan over 12 to 24 months. If they refuse, inquire about financial assistance or charity care programs. Most hospitals have income-based options. To prevent future shocks, build a dedicated health buffer. Save monthly for deductibles and co-pays, even small amounts in a high-yield savings account. Review your insurance yearly. Ensure strong coverage for out-of-network. Consider supplemental plans if deductibles are high. Protect income too. Secure short-term and long-term disability coverage through work or privately. Replacement income during illness prevents draining everything else for medical costs. Now the third. I can't afford to help my aging parents with long-term care. Let's wrap this up. Credit card debt can be managed by tracking spending, cutting leaks, building a small buffer, and systematically attacking high-interest balances. Unexpected medical bills can be reduced through detailed review, negotiation, payment plans, dedicated savings buffers, and strong coverage, including disability protection. Helping aging parents with long-term care becomes feasible when you start conversations early. Explore hybrid life policies or Medicaid planning, build earmarked savings, and organize estate documents properly. You can tackle each of these individually using the steps outlined. Plenty of people do exactly that and see real improvement. Progress is possible without overhauling everything at once. But these issues rarely exist in isolation. Debt pressure affects health buffers. Medical surprises strain family support capacity. Fixing one often reveals connections to the others. Handling them separately takes time, effort, and can miss bigger leaks. If you want to streamline it all, address debt pressure, health risks, family care needs, and related issues in one clear, connected plan, we can make that much easier. Call us or use the link in the description to schedule a review. We'll map your full financial picture, spot every inefficiency, and create a customized approach that handles these challenges together without the piecemeal stress. It's not about adding products. It's about gaining clarity so decisions feel confident and sustainable. Protection layers first, real buffers built, everything aligned. This is education only. Always consult a qualified professional or call us before decisions. You have the steps to start today. If you'd prefer a guided, streamlined path to cover it all, reach out. Your financial peace is worth the call.